Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock from bouillon. First, choose a good quality chicken bouillon, either cubes or powder, as this forms the base of your stock. Next, measure out the correct ratio, typically 1 teaspoon of bouillon for every 1 cup of hot water. Combine these ingredients in a pot and stir well. Ensure the bouillon completely dissolves to create a smooth, flavorful liquid. This simple step is crucial for a consistent and tasty stock. To elevate your stock's flavor, incorporate some aromatic vegetables. Chopped carrots, celery, and onions are excellent choices, adding a natural sweetness and depth. Fresh herbs like parsley, thyme, or a bay leaf can also introduce wonderful fragrant notes. Just a small amount makes a big difference. Let these ingredients simmer gently with your bouillon mixture to infuse their essence, creating a richer, more complex chicken stock. Once your aromatics are added, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes or even longer to fully develop the flavors. During this time, you might see some foam or impurities rise to the surface. Simply skim these off with a spoon for a clearer stock. Finally, carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all solids, leaving you with a beautifully clear and flavorful chicken stock. After straining, allow your chicken stock to cool completely before storing it. You can keep it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it in 1-cup portions for longer storage, lasting several months. This homemade stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and risottos. Remember to check the description below for links to other great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.